Thank you for joining us for the Transhield Take Cover video series. I'm Matt Pete. Today we're going to do the speed test challenge against two shrink wrappers. I'll be using a custom designed special fit Transhield cover, and they're going to be using conventional shrink wrap. Now, I predict that I can wrap this faster, and it's not because I'm super quick, more handsome, or even smarter. It's because Transhield custom fit covers are a cinch. And with the extra time I have, I might be able to clean up my workstation, grab lunch, or even do my taxes. So let's do this.
All right, you do it.
Well, there you have it, folks. As predicted, Transhield and I are the champions. Thanks for watching us compete, and for more info on how Transhield and Transhield cover solutions can help your production line move faster, visit our website at transhield-usa.com.